Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Python. Today let's learn about string formatting. I'm here with my PyCharm Studio. Let's get started. So string formatting can be done in different ways. For example, I have a name of an employee, Alex Sam, and then his job title is software engineer. So I have to print some text like this. Name plus is a job title. So if I run it, I can see Alex Sam is a software engineer. So I am concatenating this string like this. So using the plus symbol, I am concatenating name with is and is a and then job title. So this is, maybe you already know this way of formatting it. But in Python 3 there are multiple different ways to format it. So I can show you those. For example, instead of this way, I have to work in a different way, like is a. So I just added is a, and I have to format it using the F. Before opening the double quotes, I have to add an F, and then inside F, just add this one, name, then job title. This is a little bit more beautiful, right? When I run it, you can see I'm getting the same result. Alex Sam is a software engineer. It's pretty easy. Whenever you work with a big string, like with a lot of character, like almost 1000 character, then just using the plus does not make more sense. And it will pull down the beauty of the code. So if you do this way, then it is pretty nice. So I can show you another way as well. So this percentage s is a percentage s, then percentage name comma job title. So when I run it, I will get the same result. Alex Sam is a software engineer. Just to make a difference, I can just remove Alex software tester. So when I run it, I'll get Alex is a software tester. So using this percentage s and percentage s, then after the double quotes is ended, then you can add a percentage symbol, and then inside this round bracket you can add the first name to replace with this replace this percentages, and then the job title. So this will go to this position and this one will goes to this position. So this is one way of this is another way of formatting it. You can use the second and third way, because second and third are pretty nice. Like the second one is print f, then this one name is a. Actually, I like the second one more than the third one personally, because this is pretty easy to do. Otherwise this one is difficult and difficult to understand as well. When you write, like I already said, a big string, then finding this percentages in between the string is difficult than finding a text like this. So I hope you guys understood this concept. The first one is using the plus option, like just using plus then is a, that's not really nice, like this one. Alex, sorry, name is a, so this is, I don't like this option because it's not that nice. So I hope you guys understood. Try to use the second one, but if you like the third one better than the second one, you can use it. This is as per your convenience. Thank you guys for watching.